to make a question sentence using the phrase there is and there are. Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with gesture. When I say teach, you say okay, this means you have to teach me. Let's get to it. There is and there are. How do you make it? How do you make a question sentence? Last time we learned, we use there is to talk about one thing or noun counts noun. So there is a pen. How do you make a question? Is there a pen? Beaver moved to the front. What about noun counts noun? There is some water. How to make a question sentence? Yeah, Beaver moved to the front. Is there any water? But here look at this. When the sentence is affirmative, we use some. When the sentence is a question or negative, we use any. So you can answer yes there is, no there isn't. Okay? Class, meter. To make a question sentence, Beaver moved to the front. For example, is there a pen? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Can you teach me? Teach. To make a question sentence, Beaver moved to the front. For example, is there a pen? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Well done. What about plural noun? We use a plural noun there are to talk about more than one thing. Plural nouns, bananas. So Beaver moved to the front. So how to make a question? Are there any bananas? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.